Welcome! In this tutorial, we will guide you through performing an impurity test on peak profiles within visionCATS to identify deviations in your chromatogram. Within your analysis, switch to the Impurity Test tab. The impurity test can be done using tracks of the HPTLC images or profiles. On the left side, in the overview, select the detection mode to evaluate. Regarding the profiles, the chromatogram can be displayed in either 3D or 2D view for easier interpretation. In the Checks section, click the Add icon to create a new zone considered as impurity or adulterant. Define the RF range by specifying the start and end values, and enable or disable the maximum allowed relative and absolute deviations compared to the reference track. The relative deviation checks whether the signal deviates by a defined percentage, while the absolute deviation checks whether the signal deviates by a fixed value. Finally, define the test logic by selecting either an or and operator. The selected color will highlight portions in the sample tracks where deviations exceed the specified limits in the main data view. In the Overview window, select the tracks you wish to evaluate by clicking on the R icon to become S as sample to check. To perform the test, the impurity test must have only one track defined as the reference. Click the Check button to evaluate the selected tracks. Any deviations will be cross-marked and highlighted in the chosen color for easy identification. Switch from peak profiles to image tracks in the data type view. The detected deviation is displayed in the chosen color in the corresponding track image. Using the impurity test in visionCATS helps you quickly detect deviations, ensuring accurate and reliable analysis results. Thank you for watching this visionCATS tutorial video.